If you've invested in a pair or two of Costa, Oakley, or Ray-Ban sunglasses, or any expensive name brand sunnies, you're probably hoping to keep them around for a long time. But what if you've damaged the lenses or you're just ready to change them up? If that sounds like you, stick around to learn about how you can easily replace and even customize new lenses, including prescription, for your favorite name brand shades. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Experience Life Through Fused Lenses YouTube channel. I'm Gabby and this is the destination on YouTube to stay updated on eye health, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Since we're the optical and sunglass experts who specialize in replacement lenses, we know a thing or two about changing out your lenses in your name brand frames. So if you love your sunglasses but the lenses are damaged or you just want to try something different, well, can you get new ones? Of course! If you want different lenses in your name brand frames, replacing them is easy, fast, and affordable on Fused Lenses website. Fused takes all the hassle out of finding the perfect lenses, and it all starts with a few simple clicks. So, say you're looking to replace your lenses in your Oakley Holbrooks. Great. Well, once you're on the website, check out the lenses, then find your brand. I'm gonna click Oakley, then pick my model and size since this style has multiple versions. Hey, comment below with the Costa, Oakley, or Ray-Ban style you own, and if you're not sure what frame or style you have, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We have sunglass experts available who can help identify your shades. Alright, now for the fun part. Once you're in this part of the process, you get to choose between 11 different mirror coating colors and 9 types of non-mirrored lenses, which can help you really express your personal style. The non-mirrored options include G15, transitions, and way more that I'll go over in just a minute. You can even get blue light blocking lenses for your frames, which are great for people who spend a lot of time in front of a screen. And if you're wanting prescription sunglass lenses or normal prescription lenses, we can do that too. More on this in a bit though. If you want to learn more about them, check out our video, Do Blue Light Glasses Really Work? And How to Turn Normal Sunglasses into Prescription. They're linked in the description below, along with the other videos I'm going to be mentioning today. Oh, and all of our lenses are made with lightweight, shatterproof material called polycarbonate. Okay, so you probably also noticed that cool rainbow section in the lens options. Those are our new color enhancing amp lenses, and they fine tune your view with stunning color contrast and clarity. Our video Color Enhancing Lenses 101 goes over the science and technology of color enhancing lenses and how Fused amp lenses help you see in high definition. We're super excited about these new lenses, so be sure to check them out. But what if you want polarization in your new lenses? Our video Polarized versus non-polarized lenses goes way more in depth on this. Here's the gist. Polarized lenses filter out horizontal light, which is the type of light that causes glare. So when you wear polarized lenses, you only see vertical light rays, and you don't have to worry about glare bouncing off shiny surfaces. Regular sunglass lenses do filter out bright light, but they don't deflect glare. That's why polarized lenses are awesome for driving, being on the water, and doing any activity that involves glare. So if that's something you'd be interested in, great. Now let's get back to our Oakleys. All you're gonna do is select either a mirrored or non-mirrored lens that you like best in any color and choose polarized or polarized plus anti-reflective. The anti-reflection is optional, but it minimizes reflection and glare from behind the lenses. That's an awesome option for anyone who spends a lot of time doing outdoor activities in the bright sun. Plus, they automatically come with a lifetime warranty. We have a playlist called Experience Life Through the Outdoors where you can find out about the best mirror and non-mirrored options for all kinds of outdoor activities. We go over everything from snowboarding to fishing and hunting to running and cycling. We have videos on more activities coming in the future, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss when we post. Once you order your lenses, we'll get straight to custom cutting them and we'll send them out to you ASAP. But if you want the physical replacement part done for you too, we have a concierge service that I definitely recommend. All you have to do is send us your sunglasses and we'll do the switching out part for you. If you're interested in changing your lenses out yourself, check out our video How to Replace Sunglass Lenses. Our color enhancing lenses already come with anti-reflection and polarization, so if that's what you're opting for, then no need for any extra steps. Okay, now let's get into something a lot of you are probably wondering about. What if I need to add my prescription to my lenses? If that's you, you're in luck, because instead of going to the eye doctor and dropping a bunch of money on a new pair of prescription sunglasses, you can just stay on our website. If you already have a current prescription, head to the prescription tab at the top of the page, click Get Started, and start customizing the type of glasses or sunglasses you would like your prescription in. All you need on hand is your prescription from your eye doctor, and then we'll get to making your custom sunglass lenses. It's pretty awesome because you can add polarization and anti-reflection to the prescription, or even turn them into clear or blue light glasses, just like you would with non-prescription sunglasses. Who would have thought Oakleys could also be reading glasses? If you don't have a current prescription and you need to renew it, we also have you covered. On our website, hover over to prescription, then click Renew Prescription, and you can take an online vision test for just $25. It only takes 5 minutes, and all you need is yourself and 10 feet of space, and you'll get a renewed prescription within 24 hours from a licensed optometrist or ophthalmologist. You can even save money by paying with your FSA or HSA dollars. The future is now, right? Everything, even our vision test, is literally at your fingertips. If you want to learn even more about our customization process, check out our video replacement lens options. And don't forget that all these videos and playlists are linked in the description down below. Alright, it's time for a little shameless self-plug. Although at Fuse Lenses, we do specialize in replacement lenses for all name brand sunglasses, we also offer our very own line of sunglasses. We offer the same quality lenses as high-end brands at a fraction of the cost. We have over a dozen frame options, and you can fully customize the lenses in all of them the same you would as your Oakleys, Costas, and Raybans. So if you haven't been to fuselenses.com/YouTube yet, what are you waiting for? It's super simple, affordable, and honestly pretty fun. If you're excited to get a new pair of lenses in your favorite frames, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell. We post weekly videos you'll love about vision, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.